Are you struggling with acne? Do you want to moisturize your skin without clogging your pores? Well, in today's video, we're going to make a face moisturizer for acne-prone and oily skin. This recipe is full of anti-inflammatory and deep hydrating properties, softening your skin and promoting a glowing complexion. All right, let's get to it. Please like, share, and subscribe. 1 4-ounce glass mason jar. 1 double boiler. 1 ounce of argan oil. Argan oil is not only wonderfully moisturizing, it absorbs quickly and doesn't leave an oily residue. And being so low on the comedogenic scale, it won't clog pores. The vitamin A and vitamin E found in argan oil possesses anti-aging properties and can help to minimize fine wrinkles. Argan oil has been proven to reduce sebum levels in those with oily skin, helping to prevent acne. It also acts as a natural skin toner, working against acne, age spots, and sun damage. 1 tablespoon of rosehip seed oil. Rosehip seed oil is highly moisturizing, exfoliating, and can help boost collagen formation, brightening the skin tone. It helps reduce inflammation, dark circles under the eyes, scars, and fine lines. 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. The antioxidants in vitamin E can promote healthy blood circulation. It can slow down the skin aging process and make your skin look firm and youthful. It's also an excellent moisturizer, reducing and preventing dry skin. It can help strengthen skin barrier function and may act as a natural anti-inflammatory, soothing and calming the skin. 2 ounces of shea butter. Shea butter is a 0 to 1 on the comedogenic scale, meaning its ability to clog pores is very low. It's a deep moisturizer and can reduce inflammation. 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Raw honey is antibacterial and helps to prevent skin irritation such as acne. It's also an antioxidant, helping to slow the signs of aging. Honey is a wonderful moisturizer and cleanser. It not only softens the skin, but opens the pores, making them easier to cleanse. Essential oils I like to use are 7 drops of tea tree, 4 drops of lemongrass, and 4 drops of lavender essential oils. Tea tree is antibacterial, antifungal, and can reduce inflammation. Lemongrass is a natural cleanser and deodorizer. It possesses antiseptic and antioxidant properties. It can also reduce inflammation, soothing and calming the skin. Lavender is also an antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal. It can also improve blood circulation. In a double boiler, add 2 ounces of shea butter. When the shea butter is partially melted, add 1 ounce of argan oil, 1 tablespoon of rosehip seed oil, and 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Stir the oils well. Do not bring these oils to a boil, only to a low simmer. When all the oils have melted, remove them from heat. Then add 1 tablespoon of raw honey to the pot and vigorously stir until the honey is incorporated into the mixture. Allow the mixture to cool and then add the essential oils. Place the moisturizer into a 4-ounce glass mason jar and let harden. You can also place in the fridge for quicker results. Ensure you stir it every 15 to 20 minutes so the honey doesn't settle to the bottom. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Store the cream in a cool and dry space. Use within 6 months. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, share, and subscribe for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.